KTM has unveiled the near-production-ready 990 RCR, signaling its strong return to the middleweight motorcycle market. This new sports bike builds upon the foundation of the 990 Duke, featuring a parallel twin engine that has been refined for 2024. The 990 RCR is powered by the second generation of KTM's LC8C engine, boasting a capacity of 947 cc. While peak torque remains steady at 103 Nm, the power output sees a slight increase from 121.4 horsepower to 126 horsepower, with a higher rev limit reaching 10,300 RPM. Designed to comply with the latest Euro 5+ emissions regulations, the RCR incorporates advanced riding modes akin to those found on the Duke. It promises versatility and adaptability for various riding conditions. The chassis of the 990 RCR shares its roots with the Duke, yet significant modifications have been made for enhanced performance. KTM has improved the frame's rigidity and adjusted weight distribution to enhance stability and feel, especially during track riding. One of the most notable changes is the redesigned rear suspension system, which now includes a linkage connecting the swing arm to the rear shock for better handling dynamics. Suspension components are sourced from WP and include fully adjustable Apex Pro forks, offering a setup similar to that found on the RC8C. The rear shock also benefits from a hybrid design, combining features from previous models. For braking, the RCR is equipped with Brembo calipers, most likely Stylema, ensuring strong stopping power. The bike will come fitted with Michelin tires for its road-going variants. KTM has placed a strong emphasis on rider ergonomics, focusing on the 6 contact points on the tank to improve comfort during aggressive riding. The adjustable foot pegs provide customization for different riding styles, further enhancing the rider experience. Visually, the bike takes inspiration from the RC16 MotoGP machine, featuring striking race-oriented bodywork, including biplane front winglets and an aerodynamic belly scoop designed to optimize airflow around the bike. This design aims to improve performance at speed, although its effectiveness for everyday riding remains to be seen. KTM is known for equipping its bikes with cutting-edge electronics, and the RCR is no exception. It will likely feature multiple riding modes, an up-down quickshifter, cornering ABS, and traction control, making it a well-rounded option for both track enthusiasts and street riders. The prototypes seen in promotional materials sport an ECU Master digital display, hinting at KTM's intention to provide robust options for data logging and customization in the production model. In summary, the KTM 990 RCR promises to be a formidable player in the middleweight segment, combining powerful performance, advanced technology, and rider-focused design. As it gears up for its early 2025 launch, motorcycle enthusiasts can look forward to a bike that aims to deliver both thrill and comfort on the road and track.